饺子，饺子，饺子。
Dumplings.
Dumplings.
这是你做的饺子，真香。这是你做的饺子，真香。这是你做的饺子，真香。
Are these dumplings you made? They smell so good.
Are these dumplings you made? They smell so good.
让我尝一下你做的饺子。让我尝一下你做的饺子。让我尝一下你做的饺子。
Let me taste the dumplings you made.
Let me taste the dumplings you made.
你做的饺子真好吃。你做的饺子真好吃。你做的饺子真好吃。
The dumplings you make are so delicious.
The dumplings you make are so delicious.
刀，刀，刀。
Knife.
Knife.
中国餐桌上的食物不需要用刀来切。中国餐桌上的食物不需要用刀来切。中国餐桌上的食物不需要用刀来切。
Food on the Chinese table does not require a knife to cut.
Food on the Chinese table does not require a knife to cut.
西餐右手拿刀，左手拿叉。西餐右手拿刀，左手拿叉。西餐右手拿刀，左手拿叉。
In Western cuisine, the knife is held in the right hand and the fork in the left hand.
In Western cuisine, the knife is held in the right hand and the fork in the left hand.
刀用来切割食物，叉用于送食物入口。刀用来切割食物，叉用于送食物入口。刀用来切割食物，叉用于送食物入口。
The knife is used to cut food, and the fork is used to put food into the mouth.
The knife is used to cut food, and the fork is used to put food into the mouth.
破，破，破。
Broken.
Broken.
对不起，我不小心把你的花盆打破了。对不起，我不小心把你的花盆打破了。对不起，我不小心把你的花盆打破了。
I'm sorry I accidentally broke your flower pot.
I'm sorry I accidentally broke your flower pot.
你的鞋子破了。你的鞋子破了。你的鞋子破了。
Your shoes are torn.
Your shoes are torn.
我花了几百块买了一双鞋子，才穿一两次就破了。我花了几百块买了一双鞋子，才穿一两次就破了。我花了几百块买了一双鞋子，才穿一两次就破了。
I've spent hundreds of dollars on a pair of shoes, only to have them fall apart after only one or two wears.
I've spent hundreds of dollars on a pair of shoes, only to have them fall apart after only one or two wears.
脱，脱，脱。
Take off.
Take off.
你的衣服脏了，脱下来，我给你洗洗。你的衣服脏了，脱下来，我给你洗洗。你的衣服脏了，脱下来，我给你洗洗。
Your clothes are dirty, take them off and I will wash them for you.
Your clothes are dirty, take them off and I will wash them for you.
春天来了，很多人都已经脱掉了厚厚的冬衣。春天来了，很多人都已经脱掉了厚厚的冬衣。春天来了，很多人都已经脱掉了厚厚的冬衣。
Spring is here, and many people have taken off their thick winter clothes.
Spring is here, and many people have taken off their thick winter clothes.
入内请脱鞋，以防带入污垢。入内请脱鞋，以防带入污垢。入内请脱鞋，以防带入污垢。
Please take off your shoes when entering to avoid bringing in dirt.
Please take off your shoes when entering to avoid bringing in dirt.
理发，理发，理发。
Haircut.
Haircut.
我每个月理发一次。我每个月理发一次。我每个月理发一次。
I get a haircut once a month.
I get a haircut once a month.
我的头发长了，该找理发师修剪一下了。我的头发长了，该找理发师修剪一下了。我的头发长了，该找理发师修剪一下了。
My hair has grown long. It's time to see a barber to trim it.
My hair has grown long. It's time to see a barber to trim it.
明天我要去理发店。明天我要去理发店。明天我要去理发店。
I'm going to the barber shop tomorrow.
I'm going to the barber shop tomorrow.
包子，包子，包子。
Bun.
Bun.
包子本称馒头，是中国传统食品。包子本称馒头，是中国传统食品。包子本称馒头，是中国传统食品。
Baozi, originally called steamed buns, is a traditional Chinese food.
Baozi, originally called steamed buns, is a traditional Chinese food.
包子是用面粉和水发酵制成的面团，混合馅料蒸制而成。包子是用面粉和水发酵制成的面团，混合馅料蒸制而成。包子是用面粉和水发酵制成的面团，混合馅料蒸制而成。
Baozi is made by fermenting dough made of flour and water and then steaming it with fillings.
Baozi is made by fermenting dough made of flour and water and then steaming it with fillings.
听说那家店的包子很好吃，我们一起去尝尝吧。听说那家店的包子很好吃，我们一起去尝尝吧。听说那家店的包子很好吃，我们一起去尝尝吧。
I heard that the buns in that shop are delicious. Let's go and try them together.
I heard that the buns in that shop are delicious. Let's go and try them together.
谢谢观看。